everyone, welcome back to OdinSchool's YouTube channel. Quick question for you. Are you ready to unlock a career in one of the fastest growing digital and data companies out there? So, today we are going to talk about how you can crack the data scientist role at Straive. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about Straive. Straive is a global leader in content and data solutions, serving industries like research, education, finance, and healthcare. So they specialize in AI driven analytics, data enrichment, and digital transformation, and their clients include some of the biggest names worldwide. So if you are someone who loves working with data and wants to be at the heart of solving real world challenges, Strive is an amazing place to be. So, what's this role all about? Strive is hiring data scientists, and you will be applying advanced analytics and AI to solve complex problems. This is a role where your insights will directly influence business strategy and decision making. So, you will need a solid experience in data science and the ability to build models that actually make impact. Now, let's talk about the must have skills. Strive is looking for people who can bring together technical expertise and business understanding. Here's what they want: strong foundation in Python, R, or SQL, machine learning and deep learning expertise, hands on with NLP, computer vision, or predictive analytics, and solid skills in Power BI, Tableau, or other visualization tools. And of course, the ability to communicate data stories clearly to stakeholders. So, what would your daily work look like at Stripe? You'll be collecting, cleaning, and preparing large data sets, building and training machine learning models, and creating dashboards that make insights easy to understand, and collaborating with cross functional teams to drive data backed decisions. So, yes, it's a hands on, challenging, and impactful job. So, now let's talk about perks. Strive offers competitive salaries and growth opportunities, plus the chance to work on cutting edge projects across industries. So it's not just about the pay, it's about being part of a company that's shaping the future of data and digital solutions on global scale. So, to ace this role, here's what you need to focus on. Sharpen your SQL and Python. Be ready to answer real world queries like customer churn prediction or text classification. Coming to the another tip, have a hands-on experience with machine learning projects. So you have to showcase projects where you solve a real world problem end to end, and have a perfect portfolio dashboard. So build a visualization project on data sets like financial performance or healthcare claims. And coming to domain knowledge, if you have worked with financial publishing or research data, highlight it. Straive values domain context. And don't forget to practice explaining insights in 2 to 3 crisp slides because clarity matters as much as accuracy. And also, here are some common interview questions you might face. So, question number one: can you explain a machine learning project you have deployed in production? Question number two: how would you approach cleaning and preparing messy, unstructured data sets? Question number three: what steps would you take if your predictive model started giving inconsistent results? So these are the three expected interview questions. And that's your roadmap to cracking the data scientist role at Strive. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay confident. This could be a big break into global data science. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to OdinSchool, and hit the bell icon for more career insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.